We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We are going to use a suction cup to open a hole. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultra-thin plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. We release the screws of the middle frame. For that, we use a professional Phillips screwdriver. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. We release the screw. We lift the charging port. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. The device is charging properly.